Hi, welcome to Virtual Construction Assistance. Weekly tips and tricks. Our tip for this week is about sharing email to teams. If you have received an email from an external email sender and you want to discuss that email with your workmates internally, usually you copy and paste the message or let them search the subject of the email if they are copied. That takes a while and confusing. You can now simply share email, including attachments, to any chat or channel in Teams. Here's how. First, open the email message in your Outlook. Click the Share to Teams button up top or select Teams logo next to the forward button to share to Teams. A new window displays. Search for a person, group chat, or channel. You may also type a message and enable Include Attachment to share the attachment in that email. At the bottom right, click Share, and voila! That message is now shared in Teams exactly how you read it in Outlook. To share to Teams feature is incredibly easy and useful for most situations. That's all for this week. See you again on the next episode of VCA Tips and Tricks.